go.
I can't say I'm very ready because we're still working on everything every day, daily, morning and evening. So we're still training. My expectation this time around, and we're going to win a lot because the team is very determined, everyone's working hard, the coaches also bring a lot of spirit. So